I have been using the chickens to rake my yard. These pine needles and stuff. I've, over the last couple of weeks, had them scrape most of all of this down the hill by just putting a little chicken food uphill from it, and they automatically scratch it down the hill. Pretty cool. At least they're doing something worth a crud, like not digging up my potatoes over there. They like to try to go do. Why there's wire on it. And this is Ellie Mae, being her a good goat. Yeah, I'm wanting some more corn, huh, Ellie Mae? All right, a little bit. Only a little bit, Ellie Mae. There you go. Probably more than you need anyway, huh? Probably so. Just throw out some food. Yep. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Here's my bunnies. Well, some of them. Later.